Mean is most commonly known as average. In this video, we'll see about finding out the mean for three different types of data. First is mean for ungrouped data. Mean of ungrouped data is calculated by adding the values of all the observations and dividing it by total number of observations. Here is an example with ungrouped data. The following data gives a weight of 10 paracetamol tablets in milligram and calculate the average weight of a paracetamol tablet, and these are the values given. The formula to find out the mean for ungrouped data is sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. We have to add all the observations, which gives the total value as 2655, and number of observation is 10 here, divided by 10, which gives the answer as 265.5. So this is the average weight of one tablet. So it is very simple to find out the mean for ungrouped data. Now we'll see how to find out the mean for grouped, which is metric continuous data. The formula is mean equal to A plus summation of FD divided by N into I. We'll see what is each one of this now. First we'll see F. So in the question you'll be given with a class interval and the frequency. So that frequency is this F. Frequency of each of the interval. It is generally represented as ith class interval. When you add all the frequencies, you'll be getting this N. So N is sum of all frequency. Then let's know about this I. So I is width of the class interval. If suppose you are given with the value 21 to 25. The width of this range is, it starts from 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So this is the width of the interval. So the counting is 5. I is width of the class interval. Now it is M. M is the midpoint of the class interval. After finding the mid value of the class interval, we can take any one value as the assumed mean in that. Then comes D. D is the deviation from assumed mean. For finding that, the formula is the respective mid value minus the assumed mean divided by I, which is width of the class interval. So with these values, we can find out the mean for grouped data. Accident data for last 50 weeks is given here in the tabular column. We have to calculate mean of number of accidents per week. For that, first we have to transform the given tabular column in a new tabular column in such a way to get the values for substituting in the formula. Number of accidents is written in the first column, number of weeks in second column. This is class interval and this is frequency F. Now we have to find out the mid value of the class interval. It can be obtained by adding the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 4. It is divided by 2 to get the mid value M. Do this for remaining class intervals also. This gives the value as 2, 7. After getting the mid value, then we have to take an assumed mean. Assumed mean is any one value in the mid value. Here I am taking this 12 as assumed mean. With the mid value and A, you can find out the deviation. But to get the deviation, you need one more value I. I is width of the class interval. The class interval starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the width of class interval. It is 5. Width of all these class interval is 5. M value is 2 minus A is assumed mean, which is 12 divided by I. Width of the class interval, it is 5. Similarly, for all the mid values, which gives the D value as, at last you have to multiply the frequency F and deviation D. So 5 into minus 2, which gives minus 10. Likewise, remaining values also you have to multiply. Now we need to substitute the values in the formula. Mean equal to assumed mean A plus summation of FD divided by N into I. N is sum of frequencies. You have to add all these frequency. Summation of FD is in the last column. Add up all these values to get summation of FD. It is minus 20. Now you got all the values needed to substitute in the formula. A assumed mean is 12 plus summation of FD, it is minus 20 divided by n, summation of frequency, it is 50 into I. I is the width of class interval, it is 5. On calculating this, the final answer that we obtain is 10. Hence, the mean of number of accidents per week is 10. Mean for grouped metric discrete data. Mean is calculated by using the formula summation of Fi into Xi divided by n, where n is sum of the frequencies. Fi is frequency of each of the variable. We'll see how to calculate the mean with an example. The details of living children per woman is given in the following table. We have to calculate the mean. As before, we have to transform the given tabular column into a new format. Number of living children is the X value and number of women is the frequency. It is generally written as Fi and Xi. Multiplying the variable and frequency will give the value for the last column, which is Fi into Xi. The value is 0, 49. Formula to find out the mean for group data, which is metric discrete, is summation of Fi into Xi divided by n. N is nothing but summation of frequency. N equal to summation of F equal to here. This gives the summation of the product Fi into Xi. The answer is 241 and the summation of this Fi Xi is 517. Substituting this in the given formula, 517 divided by 241 gives a mean value as 2.145. The mean value is 2.145.